Kia ora, everyone. Today, we're diving into the engine room of business, production processes. This is all about how businesses transform inputs into outputs. Production processes are simply how a business transforms its inputs, which are resources, into outputs, which are the goods and services it provides. Every business needs resources, and these are categorized into 4 key types. First, we have human resources, the time and skills of people. For TIG, this includes their expert local guides and dedicated customer service staff. Next, natural resources, raw materials from nature. For TIG, this is the magnificent Queenstown natural landscapes and attractions they tour. Then, capital resources, buildings, machinery, and tools. TIG's capital includes their fleet of luxury vans, booking systems, and digital tools. Finally, enterprise, the managerial creativity and innovation that combine the other 3. This is evident in TIG's development of a staff app to improve operations. The process a business uses to produce its goods or services depends heavily on the product itself. Job production creates a unique, one-off product, customized for a single customer. TIG's tours are partly like this, as each tour is designed to be highly customized and personal. Batch production involves producing a limited number of identical items in a group, like a bakery making sourdough bread. TIG uses this as a hybrid, running customized tours in batches during peak seasons for efficiency. Flow production is the continuous production of standardized items on an assembly line, such as canned food. This method doesn't suit a high-end service business like TIG. Now let's talk about efficiency and how businesses maximize their output. Productivity is a measure of efficiency, often calculated as output per worker. Maximizing it is crucial for profit. TIG strongly focuses on lean production, a method centered on maximizing output while minimizing all forms of waste. Let's look at some specific examples of TIG's lean practices. Their logistics manager devises the most efficient route for hotel pickups, minimizing wasted time and fuel. This saves petrol and maximizes guest tour time. By ensuring external contractors, like food suppliers, meet high standards, TIG avoids defective output. This prevents damage to their brand and wasted time handling complaints. TIG is also developing a staff app to streamline internal communication and operational information for their mobile workforce, driving future efficiency. TIG's combination of customized job production run in efficient batches, guided by lean production, ensures they deliver premium service with maximum profit and minimal waste.